Today's Onshape tech tip focuses on how to best utilize custom frame profile libraries. In addition to the standard profile libraries built into Onshape, the frame tool allows for custom profiles to be used when different cross-sections are required. When one-off workflows become tedious, custom profile libraries can save you time and ensure quality. To define a library, create a new folder in the root directory. Then, define and organize your profiles within this folder, ensuring every part studio contains a versioned sketch. When complete, use the right-click menu to set this folder as either your own personal library or, for company administrators, as your company's profile library. The next time you or anyone in your company uses the Frame tool, these new libraries will automatically show up as options. As a bonus tip, try using variables, configurations, and configured properties to define multiple profiles with just one sketch. This is just another way Onshape sets the standard for company-wide data management. Be sure to stay tuned for more Onshape tech tips.